Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the repository or backup folder now. Don't delay. Initialize Git if you'll version files and open VS Code so you can export settings. Once done, export settings, JSON and key bindings. JSON, this preserves your environment. Make a list of extensions. Use the extensions. Show installed extensions command to create a text list. You do this because settings and extensions are the fastest point of failure. Backing them first saves hours later. Now push your work. Stage and commit the workspace and VS Code configs use small descriptive commits so you can revert changes. If you chose Git remote, ensure SSH keys are loaded or your HTTPS token is ready. Push to a protected branch. Alternatively, enable settings sync in VS Code to automatically sync settings and extensions. This simplifies restores. For full project backups, use a cloud sync folder or an automated SFTP script. These keep large binaries out of version control and speed up restores. Finish by verifying the restore immediately. Clone the repo or copy the cloud backup into a temporary folder and open it in VS Code to confirm settings and extensions load. Reinstall extensions using the saved list and import settings. JSON so key bindings and preferences match. If something goes wrong, authentication failures, missing files, or broken extensions, check SSH/HTTPS credentials, file system permissions, and extension version compatibility. A simple permissions fix or relogin usually resolves most issues, so try that first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.